it would be so much easier not to really think too much about the Holocaust. Just to, you know, light some candles, say we're remembering, and that's it. There have been massacres, there have been genocides, but there's never been anything as systematic, as mechanized, as brutally seeking to destroy a people as the Shoah, as the Holocaust. It would be easier not to think about it, and that's exactly why we have to think about it. Why we have to remember what these horrors were like. Why do we walk today? Do we walk to remind ourselves of what can happen when tyranny grows unchecked? Yes. Do we walk to remind ourselves that we need to remain vigilant? Do we walk to remind ourselves never again? Absolutely. But we also, maybe even more, we walk to remember. We walk to remember the lives that were. Walk because this life is meant to be lived and enjoyed and loved, and we have to remember everything that has gotten in the way of doing that so that we don't let it happen again, and that we celebrate the lives of people who were. So come on, let's go and let's remember.